We just spent the last 2 weeks at Greystone CSSM. It has been 1 month outside of the States, and today we are leaving Greystone to do a little road trip around Ireland. And when we return from this 10-day road trip, we'll be doing another week at the Dunleary CSSM.
Yeah, so we found a lake while driving and we stopped and there's like a big fun little inflatable thing on it. So that's cool.
We're at Bay Sports Hudson Bay. They gave us 2 free tickets and so that we can film for them and show them in our vlog. So pretty sweet deal, awesome, and we're gonna have lots of fun here. Let's go. We are about to go into the water now. It's a water seesaw. We're having a great time out here.
Pretty good.
Yeah. Hello there. Welcome to the water park. Let's go. No. We're at a giant park and we're just exploring. The male bug is so much smaller than the female bug. Anyway, these 2 bugs are mating. They're gonna have many babies. Hey, so we were just on the frisbee round and then we left and I thought Teresa had it and then she thought I had it and so then I lost my frisbee. So we are here now. This is mainland Ireland and we passed over the bridge to here and now we're going to take a quick little late night tour and drive around over all the other islands around here.
Alright, so we're just Anyway, we kind of just are wandering through Ireland right now on a random island.
So what happened?
I was just walking along trying to get to that rock over there. And that's all mud, apparently. And I just stepped in it and lost my shoes. So looking.
What were you wearing?
My flip-flops, and they fell off.
Somewhere in that mud.
I'm gonna try to find them, hopefully, maybe.
You ran into them. Oh my word, they just disappeared.
Yeah, so. Shoe number 1.
Shoe number 1.
I can't feel it in that one.
Ooh.
Oh. I need.
Your feet and hands are filthy.
I'm literally just feeling around. Oh wait, I found it. I feel like I'm breaking it though. Oh, it's stuck in so deep.
Yeah!
Here are my shoes.
Oh no, okay, so from the car to here is just thorns in the ground. We had shoes covering the bottom of our feet, so that didn't hurt, but
Look at this shoe though, man, like.
that's a mess. Okay, Teresa's going barefoot into a field of thorns. Pink flowers with thorns? Really? Oh yeah, they are. This is dangerous, Teresa. Oh no. They just hopped up onto the rock. Ow, ow. How am I the one getting hurt and you're barefoot? You just have to do rock hopping, okay? Oh dear. Will she perish? Is that thorns right there? Oh my word.
Ow, I just stepped on a bunch of thorns. Woo!
She made it to the road. Yeah.
So we just finished the first day of our little West Coast trip, and now we are in Galway.
Teresa got her shoes in the mud.
That did happen.